What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Ryder back at you with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to change that leaky valve on the side of your house. Hope you enjoy it. So if you got problems with this thing leaking right here, what you want to do is shut off your water mains. You're going to crack it open, let all the water out. It's going to drain the entire house most likely. And then you're going to twist this off for either the one on the side of your house or in the backyard. And then we're going to clamp it in this nice Wilton vise with a aluminum jaws that I made. It won't hurt the brass. Now you can go to your local home store and buy a new one, but what I'm going to do is take this apart to clean it with some CLR. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Let's see if it works. All right, we got it. So inside of here, little ball valve. And it's probably clogged with hard water. Look down in there. It's not a ball valve, push valve. It looks like this thing is all corroded. And this is why ours is leaking. So I'm gonna replace this piece of rubber with some torch heat. And some maybe a little pipe wrench or the big pipe wrench. You can take this junk off of it. It slows down your water flow, and it also, when you shut your water off, it goes psst, and drips water all over your porch. I don't like it. It's coming off. And looking now, I could tell why it was so hard to take off. It's got a set screw in it. So take that set screw out first. Luckily for me, the threads are shiny, but they're not so messed up. I'm able to get a hose on there nice and tight. Take the screw out, you take this rubber thing. This is where it seals. You can see it's been pushed out, and it's got like a ridge that's built around it now. I'm not gonna replace it. I'm just gonna flip it upside down, and now it's got a new sealing surface. You just gotta trim off these edges very quick. I got that all trimmed up. We'll put that on later. I got all my parts. This is goes through here and the top of the handle on it. We're gonna throw that in, CLR, that, and this. And then, I don't think this is toxic. I think you could touch it, but wear gloves. It feels like soap, soapy water. See the bubbles doing the work, because I need all that hard water off there. And then I'm gonna lubricate the threads on that go through there, and brush it all with a wire brush. Here we got it all nice and cleaned up, and that's just soaking in the CLR for 20 minutes and then brushing it with a brass wire brush. Looks brand new. There's an O-ring that goes in here. I cut that out. Didn't have any leaks in there, but just in case, since I was in there and I have an O-ring kit, I replaced that. Maybe you just want to replace the whole thing if that's easier for you, but this is, cheap and easy for me to do. Hey, sorry about the wind. Crank that on. This is the spot we don't want water. So, ooh, it feels so good to even turn, so it'll drip you out. No leaks. It's fixed. Hey, no more leaks. You shut it off. It doesn't do the thing and spill a bunch of water right here. It doesn't do that anymore. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you did, give it a thumbs down. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.